Hello everyone, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. So in the series of our creating a directory site using Blockstrap theme, in the first two videos we have seen how to set up the theme and the plugin, and we have also seen all the features that Geodirectory plugin provide and the look Blockstrap theme provide. So in this video we will see how to customize these page templates, how to customize the header, how to upload your own logo here, and how to customize the home page, the archive page, the add listing page, and everything. So let's start with it. So in order to customize this website, the first thing we will have to go in the admin panel and then hover over appearance and click on this editor link. So the first thing here I want to do is I want to upload my logo file here and maybe add some menu items. So for that I will have to edit the header file. So I will go here in the pattern, and here we have two header files because this one, the header that you see here, it's a transparent header, and the other header which loaded on other pages, it is the default header. So if you want to make changes in any of these headers, either this transparent header or the default header, then you can do it from the editor section. I will show you. So let's say suppose we want to make changes in this transparent header and we want to upload our logo file and edit the menu items. So for that you will have to go in the journal section of the pattern, and here you can find the transparent header file. You can either click on these three dots and click on this edit button, or you can directly click on that. So now we are in the transparent header file, and somehow the menu items are turned into the black into the white color, so they are not displaying up here. I will click on this document overview. It will show me how the blocks has been used. So I will just expand it, and here in the nav bar brand, this logo, if you want to replace it, you can do it here. So here you see it is just a text directory. It is just a text, so it is not actually a logo but just a text. So we don't want text, we want to upload our logo file. So if you are not sure how to create logo, then we have created an entire video on how to create free logo using Canva. You can check it in our YouTube channel. I will also add this link in the description of this video. So in this video I have explained it in details, like how you can create a free logo, like a logo for free using Canva. So I have created one logo for this website, and I will just download this logo file here. So the logo which I have uploaded, it is also transparent background logo, because Canva free version will not provide you option to download the image as transparent. So see here, this transparent background is a paid feature. So if you don't have Canva paid features, then we have also shown it in this video how you can make the logo transparent. So you can check this video for creating a logo file. So now I have uploaded my logo. I will just click on select. There you go, my logo file has been updated, and here I can change the width and height of this logo file. By default the link is to home page, which is good, which is okay. So now I will make some changes in this menu item, because here just a place is menu is there, and then there is some menu space, and then there is sign in and sign out button and add listing page only. What I want is, because we are using users WP, and users WP provide a profile page where user can check their profile or maintain their profile or see all of their listings and all of their invoices, orders and everything. So we will utilize this users WP profile page. So if you are not aware of users WP functionality, then again you can go to our YouTube channel, and in the live section here in this complete guide we have explained it in detail, like how to set up users WP, what are the different features users WP provide. So you can check this video from the live section on BuddyDevelopers YouTube channel. So what I want is, I want this profile page to be listed somewhere here in the menu. So in order to do so, the first thing I will hover over this menu item and click on this plus icon here, and let's search for BS nav drop down. So this is the menu item that will allow us to add drop down menu. Okay, so I added this drop down menu. Let's give it a name. I will give it a name of my account, and we need an icon for this, font awesome icon. So I have already searched this font awesome icon, FA solid. So this is how the icon looks like. So I will add this icon and remove the I tag, just keep the class. Okay, so now what I need is, I need some menu under this drop down. So I will just duplicate this A tag and add it under the drop down menu. You just have to drag it, and let's duplicate it further. So the first thing is, I will give it the users WP account page link and say account. Okay, remove this icon, we don't need an icon here. And the second menu, I will give it users WP profile. I will mention profile, remove this icon. Let's duplicate it further, and I will provide a logout link. Yeah, logout, no sorry, it's a registration link, so I will provide it a logout link too. So mention logout. Okay, so now I think we are done. I will remove this sign out button because we have placed it here now. Okay, let's drag it at the end, and yeah, everything is good. um, let's drag it before the add listing menu. Okay, now let's save it and have a look how it look in the front end. So there you go, you see it look like this. Okay, so now we will do several things to style it. So the first thing is, I will make this my listing as a button. For that I will go here and click on my listing, and in the style tab I can style it. So I will say button, and the color should be, I will keep it to, because these are the different color templates, there is no other ways to mention color. So I will just mention success because it will give it a green look. And since this button should be matched like this, so I will make it rounded. I think that will be better, isn't it? Yeah, okay, no, button rounded, side should be small, and success link is good, text color is okay, text alignment is also fine. Okay, now let's just save it. In the advanced section we will see if we have any setting left here. Now everything is good. Let's just save it, and if I just refresh my button, this is how it looks. Okay, now we will do some changes in the inner items. So for that I will go here in the style section, I will make it none, and same goes for this, none, and here also I will make it none. And now just save it and have a look. So there you go, you see it is looking all right, but we need this icon, this text to be center aligned. So for that again I will have to go here to the style and text align to be, let's do it center once to see how it looks. Okay, so it's good. I think center is, left is good, or we can also do it center. Okay, I think left is far better, so I'll click on left. And okay, so now I will do it here also to alignment to be left, and this alignment to also be left. Let's just save it and just refresh it. There we go. So our menu items are appearing all right now, but there is a slight difference, you see, in the size of these two buttons. So let's make it similar. Okay, for that this button size, it seems okay to me, so I will just increase the size of this button somehow. So I'll just click on here, this is, and to see the block setting I will click on this button. Okay, so now now I'll go to style, and here let's make the size to be medium first, and let's increase the padding on the top and bottom. So I will make it 2 from top and 2 from bottom. So now pretty much the size of those two buttons are same. If I just check it in the front end now, there you go. So it seems pretty much similar now. Okay, so now if I check this website in a non incognito mode as a non-logged in user, so here you can see I still have the my account link, although the sub tabs are not visible. And ideally for a non-logged in user there is no sense of showing this my account link, hence we will hide it. So to hide this button for non-logged in user, I will just click on this button, this drop down button, and then click on advanced, and here we have a visibility condition. So I will click on set blocks, and in the visibility condition I will define that rule is for non-log, for logged out user, hide this block. So there are different condition. I will select hide this block for logged out user. I will save the rule and save change in the template. So now if I check this website as a logged in user, I see the button. But if I see the same website as a non-logged in user, you see that button is not appearing now. So this, which is good. So this is how guys we have completed our header part. Now let's talk about customizing the footer part, and we will upload our logo here too. Okay, so in order to customize the footer part and upload our logo here, I will again go back to the admin panel, click on appearance editor, then I will click on pattern, and here I will click on footer. So this is the footer template. I will just click on it, and our footer is open now. So to see all the blocks, I will click on this document overview, and this is how the block has been structured. You can see here. So this is for this particular container, and this one is for the top container. So in the block, everything is wrapped in a row. There are two columns. In the left column we have three containers. In the right column we have a heading, and we have a loop, a query loop. So for the first container, I just have to change the heading part. Okay, and then there are few nav details. And in the nav details they have mentioned this email ID and phone number. So you have an option to change this email ID and phone number from here, and you can change this heading part from here, or upload your logo here. So I will just drag a image tag here somewhere. So let's click on first this, and then click on image, or maybe site logo is good. And yeah, site logo is appeared here, and I will drag this. See, right now it is under the navigation menu, so I will drag it at the top, and I will remove this part. Okay, so now our logo is uploaded, and the details are showing all right. If you want to upload a different logo, maybe you can use image tag here. So let's try the image tag, how to use the image tag. So I will click on add before, and in this paragraph tag I would use image tag. Okay, and I will upload the image. So I already have it in media gallery, so I will go in the media gallery and upload this particular image. Okay, so now I will have to drag this image under the container to show it above the navigation bar. So now it seems quite all right, and you can adjust the size and resolution of the image and things here. So I'm just keeping it to medium, or maybe full size is good. Let's keep it to original, no problem. Okay, so now I will just save the changes, and in order to change these menus that you see here, I've already shown you that like everything is wrapped in a column. So this is the first column, and this is the second column. In the first column you have the second layout. The second container contain all the navigation menu. You can change these links from here, and similarly you can customize the footer part of this footer from here. So this is how it works. I will just save the changes, and if I just refresh my page now, so this is how it looks. So this image is very big. We can adjust the size of this image accordingly. For now, what I'm gonna do is I will be I will set it to, or maybe I can drag it, isn't it? I can drag it. See, I can drag it, and I will just save these changes. And if I just refresh it now, it is much better than the previous. Okay, so there we go guys. I think we have completed our footer part 2, and we have seen how to customize the footer. Now let's talk about how to customize this home page template, and we will remove this shortcode and this particular shortcode, because we are not using location manager add-on for this demo. So to customize this home page, I will directly click on this edit site, and now I'm in the editor. So here basically, you see I'm editing the front page right now. So this is how you can edit the front page. I will remove this shortcode and instead call it business, and I will also remove this shortcode which is not needed because we are not using location manager add-on. I will save the changes, and so now let's view this site in the front end. So you can see I have removed those shortcodes and also changed this text. So let me show you how you can do it from the backend editor tab. So you go to your backend first and then you go to appearance editor, and then you go to templates, and in the templates you have this front page. You can directly edit this front page and do whatever edits you want to do in this page. You can do it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. In this video we have seen how to customize the header, how to customize the footer and the home page layout. In the next video we will see the inner pages like this archive page. We will see how to customize the archive page layout, and you may see the different header here right now because we have already discussed it that the inner pages use default header template. So we will see how you can customize the default header template in the next video. We will also have a look on the search page, search result page. We will see how to customize the template of the search result page. And we will also see how to customize the Geodirectory listing detail page. We will also see if user add a listing as their favorite, where will those favorite listing appears? Where can user find them? We will also see how can user manage their listing. Do they have to come to the listing detail page every time to edit their listing, or they can manage it from somewhere else? So all these things we will discuss it in the next video, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, you can subscribe to the BuddyDevelopers YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will stay updated with the next video. So bye bye for today. See you in the next video.